Another day checking the old junk pile for used parts. It's a miracle I still have these old struts laying around. I'm slowly but surely parting them out, piece by piece, in the most dangerous way possible, but I have to do it for the greater good. I need comfortable suspension. I am sick and tired of riding on crappy suspension.
Oh, yeah.
Well, with a broken finger and some elbow grease, I got these bad boys taken apart. Now it's time to do some prep work. We're gonna scrub them up with a wire brush, get all that dirt knocked off. Then we're gonna sand them down, and then we're gonna wash them and let them dry. For this, I'm using high temperature epoxy paint. It's supposed to keep down corrosion and rust buildup, but we'll see. I made sure to clean the old grease off the bushings so I could apply more later on. Don't forget to tape up your threads. That would be a nightmare to get that paint off. It's montage time, baby! Make sure you're thorough and you do a really good job with this. This is a very important step when you're painting. You don't want any open spaces. You want to make sure that the can is further away, but you want to make sure that you're doing heavier coats. I'm not saying I'm a professional, but the results speak for themselves.
Wow.
Yep. These are definitely boxes. We got ball joints. We got inner outer tie rods. We have sway bar links. We have everything that you would need. Something came in the mail for me. And it's not just this upper control arm. Let's just say, it's pretty much the whole point of this video. I mean, look at these. Have you seen anything prettier? Yeah, you might say teens or BC coilovers, but look, I'm on a budget. These were expensive to me. Hands down the coolest accessory I've ever gotten with car parts. Alright, enough with the extras, let's get on with it. I mean, we have more cars that we can work on, guys. This is my brother-in-law's Jeep. I think it's a 90, I don't know. It's real early 90s Laredo, but we need to try to talk to him to see if we can get him to start working on this Jeep. It looks great. It's got some paint peel, but it's in great condition. I even think the engine was rebuilt. So, yeah. Leave some comments for him. Make him feel good about it so he'll start working on it. Look at these rusty old things. They were heavy and they were a heck of a lot to get out. I'm so glad I'm replacing them. This video does no justice to show you how hard it was to get everything in and out. Here's a short little baby clip of me struggling with one of these stupid things. I cannot believe how easy this upper control arm came out. When I replaced the passenger side, it was hellish. So I got the upper control arm in, but my little camber bolt is way off. That's why it's rubbing. So when I lowered the car yesterday, I didn't account for both sides being too low, so I pretty much slammed it. So it has a finger width. I mean, the coilovers feel great, the new ones, but that's way too low and it rubs way too much. So we're gonna fix that this morning. So that's what I ran first. Do not run these measurements. That's an inch and 15/16 and 1 3/4. Don't run those. Look, I'm not trying to sound greedy or anything, but I did all this work and I did a crap ton of filming and editing. So if you could please leave a like and a comment, I would surely appreciate it. And subscribe.